kind of been life-changing. I really have learned skills that can help me in any aspect of my life. It doesn't matter what your background is, you can come here and succeed at Lucid. We offer the only visual collaboration suite there is on the market that can get you from the ideation or brainstorming stage and bring that to life.
There is so much growth and there is so much potential in personal career growth, but the company itself, the product has so much potential, and being a part of that and embracing that and experiencing that gets you so excited.
My favorite Lucid value is probably teamwork over ego. I've seen that demonstrated over and over here at the company. People are always so willing to just sometimes even drop what they're doing and come over and help you. We have a full-blown and proper mentorship program. It's been invaluable in my personal growth, my career development, and people trust that you're going to bring your A game.
It doesn't matter if it's a very senior person or who has been here for a very long time. They're very willing to jump on and help you out. So that's really refreshing for me. I would say Lucid is definitely the best place I've ever worked.
People really can stand out and have a lot of career growth, have opportunities that you wouldn't have at another company until late in your career.
I really like our application. That's probably why I started working out here, is I wanted to work on something that I thought was cool and actually solve the needs of customers. And when I got here, it's the people that really probably kept me here. Product and the people, I love it here.
We want to recruit, but we want to recruit the best. We have only gotten this far by hiring great people.
I hope that you believe in the authenticity of what Lucid is here to offer to you, because I promise it is real.
I highly recommend working at Lucid.